Hello everyone, welcome you once again. Today in this video, I am going to explain you how to calculate the simple interest on the given amount for different time periods. Simple interest is the interest which we pay when we take a loan for the given amount of time. Do you remember the three factors determining simple interest? Let me explain. First one is principal. Second, rate of interest. And the third one is time. So, according to these three factors, we can calculate our simple interest. So, formula to calculate the simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. And the formula to calculate the amount, that is principal plus simple interest. So now, principal is the amount which you have deposited in bank. Rate of interest that the bank pay you for your deposit, and this is the time, for how much time you have kept your amount in a bank. So according to these three factors, we can calculate our simple interest. So simple interest is the extra amount which you were rewarded for your deposit. And after that your particular time period, how much amount bank pay you, that is your principal plus the extra amount, that is simple interest. So let's try to simplify few sums on the basis of these concepts. So now, first example, Vaibhav deposit rupees 3000 in a bank for a period of 2 years. If the bank gives an interest of 5% per annum, find the amount Vaibhav would get back at the end of 2 years. So here our principal is rupees 3000 because this is the amount Vaibhav deposit in bank. Time, that is 2 years, and rate of interest, that is 5%. So now we have to calculate the simple interest first. So principal into rate into time upon 100. So here our principal is 3000, rate of interest 5%, time 2 years over 100. Now zeros are cancelled by 0. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 and 1 0. So there is 300. So this is the simple interest. So now we have to find out the amount which Vaibhav would get back at the end of 2 years. So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. That means this is the amount which Vaibhav deposit and this is the extra amount the bank pay, 300. So the total money is 3300 rupees. Now let's take one more example. Find the simple interest on rupees 2000 for 6 months at the rate of 4.5% per annum. So here we need to calculate the simple interest only, where the principal is given rupees 2000. Time is given 6 months. And the rate of interest bank charge, that is 4.5% per annum. That means interest is given yearly, and here our time is in months. So first we need to convert our time period into years. So we can divide 6 by 12 years, or we can change into the lowest term. So that is half of the year. So let's calculate the simple interest. The same method, P into R into T upon 100. So 2000, rate of interest, first we need to convert into the improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2%. So we can write down here 9 upon 2. Time period is 1 upon 2, and here we can write down 100. So now zeros cancel by 0. 20 divided by 2 will get 10, and 10 divided by 2 5. So here we have to multiply these two. 9 5s are 45. So this is your simple interest, that is rupees 45. So now we find out the simple interest when time is given in days. So let's take one example. Find the simple interest on the sum of rupees 2000 at 5.5% per annum from 7 June 2015 to 19th August 2015. So let's write down here example number 3. Here principal is rupees 2000. Rate of interest, that is 5.5%, which you need to convert into improper fraction. So here 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that is 11/2%. And now time is 7 June 2015 to 19th August 2015. That means on 7th you have deposit your amount in a bank, and on 19th August you have withdraw. So let's calculate the number of days from 7 June to 19th August. So in June month, you have deposit your amount on 7th. That means there are 30 days in a June, and only 6 days are there when your amount is not with the bank. So we'll subtract 6 from 30. So 24 days in a June month, your amount is with bank. So now July, the whole month. So there are 31 days in a July month, and August. You have withdrawn your amount on 19th. That means 18 days your amount is with bank. So the total days are 8 plus 1 9 plus 4 13, 1 carry, 3 2 5 6, and 1 carry is 7. So 73 days. So there are number of days are 73 days whether your amount is with the bank. Now we have to convert into the years, because bank pays interest always yearly. So that means we have to divide 73 by 365, because the total number of days in a year is 365. So let us convert into the lowest form. So that is 1/5 years. So now we have to calculate the simple interest. That is principal into rate, that is 11/2 into years and divided by 100. So zeros are cancelled by 0. Now 20 divided by 5 4, and 4 divided by 2 2. So 11 2s are 22. So this is the amount which you will get as a simple interest. So rupees 22 is the simple interest, this amount. So whenever time is given in days, you have to convert into the years. So days must be divided by 365. I hope this is clear to you all. So in this way you can calculate the simple interest on the different time periods.